Hi, my name is Robert Oswald from OswaldSupply.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a trash chute door latch. So here are some basic safety precautions before we get started. Number one, make sure all doors above and below the floor that you're working on are locked and secured. Number two, make sure the compactor is off. In the event that you drop a tool, you'll be able to retrieve it and it won't damage any equipment. Just a few basic tools are required. Getting started. Prop open door. Have a Phillips head screwdriver on hand. Ensure that T-handle is not locked. Turn T-handle to vertical position and unscrew the right and left screws to remove T-handle. Pull out barrel from the latch. Install new latch assembly into position. Push down latch and put T-handle back into position. Secure T-handle screws. Test for latch operability. New latch is replaced. All of these parts can be purchased directly online at OswaldSupply.com. They can be found under the Trash Chute Door tab. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. My name is Robert Oswald. For more how-to videos, please visit our website, OswaldSupply.com.